is that we take everything down and you have another setup underneath. Okay, but he's in pink, in pink. So what I will do, I will take a brown wrap and put it over the top.
Okay.
So you can stop it for a second because I forgot to bring. In my case, I will just leave it there because I really don't care. But I will just make it much nicer. And what we will do in the setup, we take one setup with the light, and then we shut it down, and we take a setup with the natural light, and you will be able to use your camera.
Okay.
It's on the bed there. So with the teddy bear one, again, you can do a different wrap if you want. I call it the BEEHIVE wrap, and I have them all in my YouTube channel in case.
Okay.
So BEEHIVE channel wrap, you just put it underneath his chin. You come in the back, and you just go around him, but you make waves like that.
Okay.
We make waves. Or ripples, or whatever you want to call them. You can go lower, but I don't want to go lower because I want to see more in front. But because my wrap is not enough, I will go lower. And I'll just leave it there. And then we put it back into the whoopsie daisy. Doesn't matter, you can fix it. You can hide it. And there, nobody will know. Now, he's awesome as it is. I will take a shot like that for now, because if I put a teddy bear, I can stress him out a bit.
Okay.
Okay. That was a nice one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So again, focusing. I like to take a shot with all the things around. So I come about here, take the shot.
Okay.
I've seen this